We're going to use the PSO spine to get into that rotator cuff right there, right? So the muscles that allow my arm to do this are right on that little wing right here. And so we're going to use the PSO spine to get into this rear delt, rotator cuff, and this whole kind of connection area. Just lightly just lean over. What's nice about the PSO spine is the height of it is almost perfect for this area. And then we can just be able to light little rotation, okay? This area can get really tender because it doesn't get a whole lot of range of motion. And then because it is tender to massage, a lot of people don't massage it. And so all I'm doing here is really just kind of focusing on these bottom two peaks right here, left and right, but even like up and down. So kind of these two peaks and then these two back peaks to get into that rotator cuff. And then I'm just rotating my arm in different planes, further down, working in that outer part of that shoulder. I can pick it up and move it a little bit closer to that. Whew. When it gets closer to that, the scapula there, your shoulder blade, can get real tender. So I'm just lightly just press and then just come off it. Press, come off it. Not getting super aggressive here. Just a light little press, come off. Light little press, come off. Doing bigger rotations and just exploring. When you find a spot that's tender, then you can just stay there and breathe and just tell that muscle to relax. And then find a new spot. And then just keep kind of just exploring and moving, but make sure you don't overdo it. All right? Because you now have the PSO spine, practice this. Try it on the wall. This also feels really good. Use it in the bed because the bed has that nice little cushion. You can be able to take some of that and be able to get in there and be able to get some nice relief.